Get fit in pink. Train with us. Exercise routine. Back. This routine is going to be level 1, ideal for beginners. The workout. In this video we are going to work the back. The back is one of the most painful areas of the body, whether due to bad posture, sustained positions over time, or the effort that some jobs involve. The truth is that it tends to be a source of discomfort. Training our back muscles and keeping it strong can help us reduce and alleviate these pains. We want to take this moment, if you like this workout, to subscribe and give us a like. It's important to keep growing. Kim will train with some dumbbells. If you don't have any handy, you know that you can substitute them with some bottles of water, some packets of rice, legumes, or some bricks of milk or juice. If you are just starting, it is enough weight. We will pass to the next level. Do not hurry. For the more advanced, if you have weights or dumbbells, you can use 2 different weights to combine, depending on the exercise and your strength. This routine consists of 2 sets, but you can repeat this workout twice to make 4 sets. If you can't do any of the exercises, you can substitute it for the one you are more comfortable with from the ones suggested in this routine. You should not force or take your body to the point of pain. If you feel any discomfort is the signal to stop. We will perform 10 repetitions of each exercise, always with each arm when they are alternating, and we will rest for 1 minute between sets. You can repeat this circuit 2 or 3 times a week. In this routine we will burn between 80 and 90 calories, but remember that this is only an estimate, because depending on the effort, we will burn more or less. We must be very careful with the posture when training. We will be most of the time semi-bent over, so keep your back straight at all times. Concentrate on that, please. It is also important to have warmed up beforehand. If not, we recommend this 5-minute warm-up. We hope you like this workout. First exercise. 1 arm rowing. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arm change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulder lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deadlift with bent knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inverted rowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulder lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rowing with forearm rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dead weight with bent knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 minute pause. Now we're going to take a break, drink some water and rest for a while. I must remind you that you have to concentrate on keeping your back straight at all times. Don't make the mistake of arching it, you can injure yourself. And that's the last thing we want, right? We exercise to have fun, not to suffer. Let's go for another set. 1 arm rowing. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arm change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulder raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dead weight with bent 1, knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inverted rowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulder lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rowing with forearm rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deadlift with bent knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Good job. And that's it for this back workout. You did great. If you still have strength, you can repeat this routine or do another routine that we have in our channel. To do this, rest for 2 minutes before you start again, drink water too, and when you feel ready, we start again. If you like our videos, it's the best thing that can happen to us. Although we will keep improving and uploading workouts and exercises of various levels, so you can train to your liking. We love that you join us in all the exercises that we are uploading for you. And if you want to help us, you can do it by commenting and sharing these videos with your friends. You help a lot of people with it and us too. Thanks for training with us. And thanks for watching.